Hey, good morning and happy Monday to you. So, another week and another newsletter. This one's issue number 54, Foods that Protect and Repair. And I'm just going to give a brief overview and encourage you to click the link and read the newsletter for yourself. And so, this one is really full of action items that you can take and implement today and change your diet. So, I'm gonna tell you what Pam and I have done over time is just every morning she'll make a salad and she'll put it in a container like this. And she brings hers to work. Mine is just sitting in the refrigerator and waiting for me to eat it. But yeah, it's all sorts of good stuff for you. Leafy vegetables, kale, arugula, spinach. There's chicken in there for protein. There's different nuts in there, almonds and walnuts at times. And so that's just great. And then oatmeal, I've added fruit to that with strawberries, raspberries, blueberries. There's a whole long list of items there that I show to my left. And so I encourage you to kind of look through that and see what you can add to your diet. And so if this all seems kind of overwhelming to you, there's just this add one strategy. So as you go through the day or through the week, just try and add one healthy item from this list into your diet and just keep adding on. And pretty soon you'll have a number of things that you're eating that are healthy for you. So I've also included some action items for you at the end here to take action on. And then just one last realization. So I'm 68 years old and my mom lived to be 98. So that's another 30 years of living, and I certainly plan on living as long as my mom, maybe even longer. So you gotta take care of your health. If you're in your mid 60s and you're struggling, there's still time to turn that around. But yeah, your diet is a big part of what you need to be doing to improve your health. So with that, I'll leave those words of wisdom with you. I hope you have a great day.